Hello, folks. Before we get started on how to write sales copies review, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. My coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, I would suggest that you click that first link in the description below to find out what it's all about. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR just like this one, and it shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. The second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. Bonus number 4, you'll learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. You can earn up to $186 a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes to run the entire system. And not only that, you receive a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, who are the vendors behind how to write a sales copy? Well, they're 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche. They provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers. They are behind the brand Profit Experts, and Profit Experts have over 28,500 sales on Warrior Plus alone. Now, this is a product you should seriously consider for your coaching and training process. In a nutshell, How to Write a Sales Copies is a training program that you can rebrand and resell as your own. Use it for your coaching gigs. After all, it's PLR. Now, there's lots you can learn from this particular training program. Here's some of the things. It will give you 5 fill-in-the-blank sales copy formulas that are used by the best copywriters in the world. You can learn why it's important to dedicate a physical space and a specific time for writing your sales copy. You can look at the 5 W questions you need to ask before you write a sales copy and what you need to do before you start writing to prepare your mind for creating a fast quality copy. You can learn how to visualize the process that gives your prospect identifiable character traits and desires. You can learn the 4 P words that help you write sales pages quickly, and so on. Lots that you can learn from this particular course. It includes over 25 chapters, and here are 10 chapters to give you an example. There's an introduction, there's a 5-step formula for writing a quality sales copy faster, there's assemble all the information, prepare your mind, ask and answer the 5 W questions, visualize your perfect prospect, use the warm-up exercise to prep your mind. Choose one of these 5 proven sales copy formulas. Learn the PAS copy formula in Chapter 8. And on number 9, what you can do before and what you can do after, and how you can bridge your sales copy. It'll show you how to develop the features and advantages and the benefits, and including the 4P formula. Chapter 13 gives yourself a time limit to write, and Chapter 14 talks about the Prodormo technique, a real strong time management technique, and how to edit, proofread, and tighten up your copy, and 10 more copies. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end, it goes for $13 to $17. Now it's on a dime sale, so the quicker you get in, the better you can get the lower price. There are 3 upsells, 2 of them for $37 and one of them for $97. And watch the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you might get less product. And here's a good thing. There's free unlimited updates to the content and the sales modules. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. I cannot recommend this enough, folks. You will earn income from this particular product. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product just like this one. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.